what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Alice in Chains. The Rooster. One of my favorite songs by this awesome band. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning. If you want to play along with the record, you got to tune down to E flat. So half a step down from E to E flat. Okay? Play the same chords. So we got only two parts basically to this song. We got the verses and we got the chorus. I'm just going to do the basic chords. I'm not going to do all the electric guitar stuff. So we got an F sharp. Song is an F sharp. And it's not a bar chord, which is good. We want to grab, starting on the low E string, 2, low E, 4, 4, 3, and then open B and open E. So you get that sound, okay? And then you want to lift up the first finger so you get an open E string, but keep the other guys. Hear that? Alright, and then we're going to move to 5th fret, A, and do the same thing. So mostly downstrokes. And then for the chorus, it's going to be the same shape, starting on 7. Yeah. The rooster part, and then up to 10, same shape. And then back to 2, but this time you want to play a little bit different. You want to go. From F sharp, we want to grab a quick B there. That's 2, 4, 4, starting on the A string. So E, F sharp. Sound, huh? Alright, here comes the chorus. 7, 10. B, F sharp, 7. Cool. Thanks guys for tuning in. That's The Rooster by Alice in Chains. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe, have fun with the song, and take it easy. Thank you.